Hi everyone, welcome back to Legs Down and to our latest site arrival video, and it's thanks to Karina and Jules for the footage for this one, also known as Here We Tow. Do please check out their YouTube channel. You'll find the link in the description below. Right, our footage starts on the A390, easily accessible via the A30 or the A38. We're just bypassing St Austell and we're coming up to our first turning, which is off to the left, and that's the B3273, signposted Mevagissey. This turning to the site is just over 8 miles, and you're on this road now for about 4.5 miles before your next turning. Just under 3/4 of a mile after Pentewan Sands Holiday Park, you'll find this crossroads, and we're going to be turning to the right. It's signposted Goran Haven. This right turn to the site, it's about 3 3/4 miles, and as you can see it does get a little narrow in places, so just take it easy. As you pass this T-junction, you'll climb this slight hill. Your next turning is to the right in just 1/3 of a mile. Take the right turn here as indicated by the brown tourist sign. And just keep following the road till you get to the park entrance itself. And here we are. Thanks once again to Karina and Jules for the footage. I do believe this is one of their first trips out as well, so well done. Thank you to you two for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.